friends, today in this video I just want to show you how to repair your corrupted memory card or any USB flash drive. So in this video you will learn how to repair your corrupted memory card or corrupted flash drive. So please watch this video. I have connected my 8 GB memory card, corrupted memory card. So that is my 8 GB memory card. If I open that, it is asking please insert. So it is already corrupted. So even I am not I'm not able to get the capacity of the drive. Even if I clean that, so nothing will be optimized, also nothing. So friends, this is already corrupted memory card. So I have connected to my laptop. So now I will show you how to repair this memory card. So if I format this memory card, even I am not able to format also. So it is showing so it is not formatting my memory card. So unable to format. If I select FAT32 and MS-DOS FAT, so both are I have tried, but even I'm not able to open my memory card. So it is totally corrupted. So I will show you how to repair this memory card. Just open the command, type cmd, don't click on left, right click on that, go to the administrator, run as administrator. So once you click run as administrator, the command prompt will open. So that is the administrator. You need to open the administrator only. Otherwise, if you double click directly, you cannot do this process. So type the disk part. So once you type disk part and press enter, so friends, now type list disk. So it will detect all disks in your computer. So mine, that is my internal hard drive. This is my corrupted pen drive. It is showing 8 GB. So that is my, it should be repairable disk, repairable card reader. So there you can type select disk 1. My memory card is disk 1. So you can select which number of you are in computer. So then clean, type clean, CLEAN. So once you clean, so type create partition primary. So once you type create partition primary, click enter. So it is the primary partition is created. So now type active. Okay, now it is successfully active. So then assign. So assign is nothing. It will assign the drive letter for this card, memory card. So the assign also successfully completed. So once you minimize that, so now it is asking format disk. So once you click format disk, so now it is showing that capacity of the disk. Before that it is showing unallocated. So once you click format start, yes, the format completed now. So friends, the format is completed. So now my memory card also it is working. So please, after watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. See friends, now I am able to format my memory card. So the process is success. So after watching this video, if you like, so please subscribe to my channel so you will get more latest videos. Thank you for watching this video.